The world's richest man, Elon Musk, is sharing his opinion about formal education. He thinks that it has been overweighted, and he's suggesting hands-on that could probably help learners better in the future. Listen.
I also think that the value of a college education is somewhat overweighted. Too many people actually spend 4 years, accumulate a ton of debt, and then often don't have useful skills that they can apply afterwards. And I think I have a lot of respect for people who work with their hands, and we need electricians and plumbers and carpenters, and you know, that's a lot more important than having incremental political science majors.